Hello, parents, students, and everyone. This is Mrs. Wild. I'm back for another week of Rhyme Magic. I'm so excited that you're joining me. So let's get right underway and start with our short vowel sounds. Elephant. Apple. Octopus. Umbrella. Inchworm. Umbrella. Apple. Octopus. Elephant. Inchworm. Great job. Let's quickly go through our green cards. Ib. At. Ag. In. Let's spell grins. Grins. Let's spell grinning. Grinning. Great job. Ud. Up. Ugh. Let's spell muggy. 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 Egg. Id. Un. Let's spell funny. 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 Og. Et. Let's spell settle. 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 It. An. Ep. Ut. Let's spell clutter. 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 Great. Now let's look for the rhymes in words. Am, slammed. Un, funny. Ot, spotted. Odd, plodding. Up, supper. Ub, scrubbing. Great job. And friends, I want to show you something. If you are reading these words in a book, you want to think about using it as a strategy, okay? So every time you are looking for a word, you're reading a book and you come across a difficult word that you don't know what it is, I want you to look for the rhyme and slide through the words. So these eyeballs are going to remind you to look for that rhyme. Say the rhyme 3 times. Egg, wiggly. Okay, friends? Don't forget to use that strategy. And parents, if you want to, take a screenshot of this and put it up somewhere where they're reading so they don't forget to look through for the rhymes within the stories that they're reading. Okay, now let's go into our orange cards. Ack. Ick. Ock. How would I spell? Stocking. 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 Unk. Aim. Ound. Eight. Let's spell skating. 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 Ache. All. LLL. Let's spell smelly. 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 Ill. Ite. Let's spell brighter. 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 Let's spell brightest. 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 Asked. Ow, ow, ow. Ump, ump. Ash, ash, ash. Eat, eat, eat. Let's spell treats. T-R-E-A-T-S. Treats. Or. Let's spell bored. Bored. B-O-R-E-D. Bored. Ice, ice, ice. A-A-A. Al, al, al. Old, old, old. Ang, ang, ang. Ink, ink, ink. Let's spell thinker. Thinker. T-H-I-N-K-E-R. Thinker. Now, I'm going to introduce some new ones to you today. They have the bossy R. So let's see if we can think of words that have them. Like R. What if I wanted to spell far? Far. F-A-R. Very good. What if I wanted to spell, this is going to be a tough one. Are you ready? Charm. So there's an extra letter at the end. Charm. Ing. Charming. C-H-A-R-M-I-N-G. Charming. What about this bossy R? Let's try burn. So if I had burn. B-U-R-N. Burn. And then what if I wanted to end an ending? Burning. B-U-R-N-I-N-G. Or. Let's spell, hey, we kind of did one of these before with boring, but let's try fork. She uses a fork to eat her salad. F-O-R-K. Fork. Let's spell let's try spelling her. H-E-R. Now let's say hers. That is hers. H-E-R-S. Hers. Let's try sir. Sir. S-I-R. And I know these are a little bit easy, but it's our first day working with the bossy R's. If you can think of any others, shout them out. But remember that some of these bossy sounds are the same because we have and And as you keep practicing and learning, you'll figure out which one goes where. And if you've noticed, this can be a rhyme, a bossy R rhyme. It can also be an ending. I've never been, well, sure. There's a lot of sounds that are repeated. So we have and Then we have our or and our R. Okay, we're going to be practicing those every time too. I'm going to mix them up and we'll go quickly through them, and then we're going to look at some words. Here we go. R. Or. Super. Let's move on. Remember, we're looking for the rhyme. Ick. Sickness. Asked. Fastest. I'm. Timing. Ooh. Ache. Snake skin. LLL. Spelling. Ite. Brighter. Super. Now I want to show you one more thing before we leave, and parents, you might like this too. This is how it's going to help you with your writing. So make sure if you're going to write words, now that you're getting so great at spelling them, you might want to use these words in a journal that you're writing or a response from your virtual learning. And the best way to do this is when you're thinking of a word that you want to write, say it's the word wiggly and you want to use the word wiggly in your story, you're going to say the word wiggly. Then you're going to think about where is the rhyme in that word. And you're going to say ig, iggly. And you're going to write down the sounds that you hear. Okay, so don't forget to use Rhyme Magic when you're trying to figure out a word in reading or when you're trying to write one. It can work both ways and make you a stronger reader and writer. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you soon.